Namaste, guys. Today we are going to such a miraculous, wonderful, special temple. I really cannot express. Okay, let's go. So, we are going to Lord Ganesha's temple, whose idol was installed by the Trimurtis Brahma, Vishnu, and Maheshwara. Oh my god, isn't it superb? This idol of Lord Ganesha has been since all the four yugas, that is Satya Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapara Yuga, and this Kali Yuga. Also, the idol is a Swayambhu idol and is made from a single piece of sacred Saligrama stone. So yes, we are in that special temple of Lord Ganesha called as Kurudumale Ganesha Temple, located in Mulbagilu Taluk, Kolar district, Karnataka. The bus that we saw was coming to this place Kurudumale from the Mulbagilu town, which is 11 kilometers away. There is another speciality about Lord Ganesha's idol here. This idol of the Lord is said to be the world's tallest monolithic Saligrama Ganesha idol, which is 13.5 feet tall and is said to be growing continuously in size. Devotees say that anything prayed pure-heartedly in presence of this majestic idol will definitely come true. In Kruta Yuga, that is Satya Yuga, there were three demon brothers named Tarakaksha, Vidyunmali and Kamalaksha, who were together called as Tripurasuras. To kill these Tripurasuras, the Trimurtis Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwara came together and installed this idol of Lord Ganesha. This is the beautiful first glimpse of the Lord. Because of all the Trimurtis and gods coming together to consecrate Lord Ganesha's idol, which was surrounded by a hill, this place is called as Kootadri Kudumale. Kota or Kodu means coming together, Adri or Male means hill. But later, as the time passed, the locals here mispronounced the word Kudumale as Kurudumale. Later in Treta Yuga, when Sita Mata was abducted by Ravana, it is believed that Lord Rama and Lord Lakshmana had worshipped Lord Ganesha here before going to Lanka to kill Ravana. Then in Dwapara Yuga, when Sri Krishna was accused of stealing the Shamantaka money, to get rid of the wrongful acquisition, Lord Krishna himself visited the holy place and worshipped Lord Ganesha. Also, it is believed that the Pandavas, before waging the war against the Kauravas, came to this place and took Lord Ganesha's blessings. In all these three yugas, Satya Yuga, Treta Yuga and Dwapara Yuga, this idol of Lord Ganesha did not have a temple. The idol was in an open field covered by mud and trees. But in Kali Yuga, Lord Ganesha appeared in the dream of the king Sri Krishna Devaraya of Vijayanagara Empire and asked him to get a temple built for him. That's when the king Sri Krishna Devaraya visited this place and saw Lord Ganesha lying in open without shelter, and he immediately took steps to build the temple around the idol of Lord Ganesha. Ganesha Chaturthi is one of the grandest festivals celebrated in this temple. The entry to the temple is free and there is enough space for parking outside the temple. This map here tells you the other nearby temples that you can visit, like Shri Prasanna Someshwara Temple, Anjaneya Swami Temple and Chennakeshwara Swami Temple. The temple is open on all the days and these are the timings of the temple. So guys, this was all about the beautiful Kurudumale Ganesha Temple. Tomorrow is Ganesha Chaturthi Festival 2025. So wishing one and all a very happy Ganesha Chaturthi Festival. Do share this video with all your contacts and let them know about this wonderful temple in Karnataka. I have finished ticking this beautiful place in my bucket list. How about you? Do subscribe and click on the bell icon to not miss out on more such beautiful places. Thank you.